Calculating the area of a parallelogram is given. We use the formula A is equal to BH, base times height. Where the base is, you can see here in this case, base is the length of NK. I would note that the base is also the length of ML. Okay. And the height here is just the distance between. Now I don't have it marked here, but it should be a perpendicular line like that. So we use the formula A equals base times height. And you have to make sure that if you're using the height, you have to use the appropriate one, because sometimes we might be given extra information. So in a couple of examples here, we show that for question number 1 here, we have a height of 2 feet. We have 2 different bases. And the problem is, do we use 3.1 or 6.9? Looking at this, looks like, well, 2 feet. Think about this. This is 3.1. So is this over here. But if you look at that side is not perpendicular. In fact, the 2 feet is perpendicular. It's a perpendicular distance to the one that says 6.9. You could think about this as it's also being this length right there. Okay? So, we calculate the formula. It would be A is equal to 2 times 6.9, which would be 13.8, and the units here would be square feet. Okay? So it's always important that we make sure that we identify the correct one. Over here we have 10.3 as 2 of the sides given, 5.5 the other 2 sides given. We're given a height of 4.7. Now if you look at this, it's perpendicular to this side here, which is 10.3. So this is my height, and this is my base. So my formula will be A is equal to base 10.3 times height 4.7, which equals 48.41. In this case, the units would be kilometers squared. Okay? So make sure that you identify the ones that are perpendicular to find the base and height. Absolutely vital, but the actual calculation is pretty straightforward.